As you head out to places like the grocery store, you're probably seeing more and more people wearing masks. And from New York to Beverly Hills, masks are not just a smart way to stay healthy, they're becoming a requirement. The question becomes, could Oregon issue a similar mandate?
And Fox 12's Brenna Kelly joins us now after speaking with Oregonians about their mask-wearing habits. Also, the possibility of a similar executive order right here in Oregon. Brenna?
Well, we were flooded with responses from people who believe an executive order should have been issued already for wearing masks in public, all the way to people who feel it's not necessary to wear a mask when they go outside. Bottom line is, this is something that's on many people's minds.
The message from the CDC on how to slow the spread of COVID-19 has changed. Early on in the health crisis, the agency told the general public, people who weren't sick, that they didn't need to wear a mask.
I have been the lone voice since the beginning in early February. Ever since I get first interview by journalists, I have been criticizing that wrong message.
This is Oregon State University's director of the Center for Global Health, CHUNHUEI. He says now that the CDC is recommending people use face coverings, the reversed message is hard for some people to catch up on. Meanwhile, early aggressive intervention measures taken in countries like Taiwan have limited their outbreak to just hundreds of cases versus hundreds of thousands in the U.S.
Countries like South Korea, Taiwan, Japan, up till recently, they never implemented social distancing. Instead, they will rely on masks. And my epidemiologist friends say between wearing masks and social distancing, mask is far more effective.
When we posed the question to Fox 12 viewers, how often do you wear a mask or face covering in public, we were inundated with responses.
Everyone has their own opinions and feelings about it, so this is kind of a tough subject.
Cynthia Roysden is immune compromised. She's also a single mom and takes mask wearing seriously.
No one wants to intentionally infect someone, and no one wants to accidentally infect someone either.
MAKAYLA Bowles is a caregiver in Oregon City. She says she always wears this mask at work, but chooses not to when running errands.
The main thing is it will trigger my asthma, and other people aren't wearing masks, and I know maybe I should wear a mask out in public, but
Governor Kate Brown says the best way to stop the spread of COVID-19 is to keep following social distancing guidelines and stay home. She said in a statement last week, wearing homemade masks can be added to your list of precautions practiced in public, but will only be effective if everyone works together.
And the governor's office says health officials are drafting plans for if and when they decide masks are to be worn when businesses reopen. Reporting live in Portland, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.